Every parent wants safe, fresh, and nutritious meals prepared quickly for their little one at home today with confidence and ease. Discover how the best blender for baby food helps you create smooth, healthy purees effortlessly every single day. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. NutriBullet Blender for baby food. The NutriBullet Blender for baby food is a thoughtfully designed all-in-one solution for parents who want to prepare fresh, nutritious meals with minimal effort. By combining steaming, blending, and automated cooking functions into a single compact unit, this appliance removes the need for multiple tools and reduces kitchen clutter. One of its strongest advantages is the ability to cook and puree ingredients in the same bowl, which helps preserve nutrients while also cutting down on washing and prep time. The intuitive dial control system allows parents to choose between steaming, blending, pulsing, or running a fully automated steam and blend cycle, making it easy to customize each meal. What sets this model apart is its flexible texture control. Whether your baby is just starting solids or transitioning to thicker foods, the manual blend, pulse, and auto modes let you create everything from silky smooth purees to slightly chunky textures. This adaptability makes the blender useful throughout multiple feeding stages, providing long-term value. The pre-programmed steam and blend cycle is another major advantage, allowing busy parents to multitask while the machine handles cooking and blending automatically. In terms of build quality and safety, the NutriBullet system is designed with durability and baby-safe materials in mind. Its secure locking mechanism ensures the machine only operates when properly assembled, reducing risks during use.
Number 2. EVLA'S Blender for baby food. The EVLA'S Blender for baby food is designed to simplify homemade meal preparation while maintaining high safety and quality standards. This all-in-one steamer and blender allows parents to cook ingredients thoroughly before pureeing, ensuring that fruits, vegetables, and meats are evenly cooked and easy to digest. The integrated steaming system helps preserve natural flavors and nutrients, resulting in meals that are both healthy and appealing for infants. One of the standout features of this model is its straightforward cooking process. By simply adding water, placing ingredients in the chamber, and selecting a function, parents can ensure that food is cooked evenly from top to bottom. This eliminates the common issue of partially cooked meals and provides consistent results every time. The touchscreen control panel enhances usability, offering precise control over temperature, blending speed, and steaming time with just a few taps. Safety is a major focus in EVLA'S design. The appliance is made from BPA-free, food-grade materials that are durable and resistant to wear. This ensures that baby food remains free from harmful chemicals while maintaining long-term reliability. The secure construction and stable base also contribute to safer daily operation. Performance-wise, the blender delivers smooth and uniform textures, making it suitable for early-stage purees as well as thicker blends for older babies.
Number 3. Momcozy Blender for baby food. The Momcozy Blender for baby food is engineered for parents who want efficiency without compromising on quality. With its promise of quick preparation and automated cooking, this appliance streamlines the process of making nutritious meals at home. After just a few minutes of ingredient prep, the machine handles steaming and blending automatically, delivering fresh purees in under half an hour. This time-saving feature makes it ideal for busy families managing tight schedules. A major highlight of this model is its innovative Cyclone 6-blade design. This system ensures that steam circulates evenly throughout the chamber, softening ingredients uniformly before blending. As a result, the machine produces exceptionally smooth and creamy textures that are gentle on a baby's developing digestive system. The powerful blades also allow the blender to process tougher ingredients, including meats and fibrous vegetables, with impressive consistency. The automatic 3-texture control system further enhances usability.
With one-touch settings for smooth, medium, and coarse blends, parents can easily prepare meals suitable for different feeding stages. This feature supports gradual transitions from purees to chunkier foods, helping babies develop chewing skills and healthy eating habits. Capacity is another strong point. The 15-ounce blending cup allows parents to prepare multiple servings in one batch, making meal planning and storage more convenient.
Number 4. BABYNUTRI Blender for baby food. The BABYNUTRI Blender for baby food is a premium all-in-one appliance designed for parents who value versatility and long-term performance. Combining steaming, blending, and chopping functions with advanced scheduling and warming features, this unit offers a comprehensive solution for daily baby meal preparation. Its multifunctional design reduces the need for separate appliances, making it a practical choice for organized and space-conscious kitchens. One of the defining features of the BABYNUTRI system is its precision blade technology. The razor-sharp stainless steel blades are engineered to deliver consistent, lump-free textures across a wide range of ingredients. Whether preparing fruit purees, vegetable blends, or protein-rich meals, the pulsation and blending options allow parents to customize smoothness according to their child's developmental stage. Safety is a central focus of this appliance. Constructed from high-quality stainless steel and glass, it meets strict food safety standards and minimizes exposure to harmful substances. The built-in safety lock ensures that the machine only operates when all components are properly secured, providing added peace of mind during everyday use. In terms of usability, BABYNUTRI offers intuitive controls that make operation straightforward, even for first-time users. Timer and scheduling functions allow parents to plan meals in advance, while the Keep Warm feature maintains food at an ideal serving temperature. Number 5. Bar Blender for baby food. The Bar Blender for baby food is a practical and user-friendly appliance designed to simplify homemade meal preparation for new parents. With its one-step processing system and built-in preset menus, this model allows users to select specific functions for vegetables, fruits, fish, or meat and let the machine handle the rest. This automated approach removes guesswork and ensures consistent cooking and blending results. One of the key strengths of this blender is its integrated steaming and blending design. By eliminating the need for a separate plastic basket or additional containers, the unit streamlines workflow and reduces the risk of spills or nutrient loss during transfers. The specialized steaming cycle locks in vitamins, flavors, and essential nutrients, supporting healthier meal outcomes for infants. Performance is supported by a powerful motor and 4 precision blades that rotate at high speed. This combination enables the blender to process ingredients quickly and thoroughly, producing smooth, evenly textured purees. The 400 milliliter mixing bowl provides sufficient capacity for preparing multiple servings, making it suitable for batch cooking and weekly meal planning. Safety features are another strong point. The Triton Blender Cup is BPA-free and resistant to odors, stains, and chemical leaching. The built-in safety lock system prevents operation unless the lid and cup are correctly installed, reducing the risk of accidents. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.